Probability exercise 13.2 question number 4. Gopi buys a fish. Gopi buys a fish from a shop. Gopi buys a fish from a shop for his aquarium. The shopkeeper takes out one fish. The shopkeeper takes out one fish at random from the tank. From a tank. Containing 5 male fish and 8 female fish. 5 male fish and 8 female fish. What is the probability that the fish taken out when the bank is turned upside taken out is a male fish. So Gopi buys a fish from a shop for his aquarium. The shopkeeper takes out one fish at random from tank. So containing 5 male fish and 8 female fish. Okay, what is the probability that fish taken out is a male fish? Actually, Gopi is trying to take one fish. Okay, the tank containing 5 male fish, total 8 female fish. Total number of fish equal to 5 plus 8, 13. So 13 fishes. Out of 13 fishes, he need to pick a male fish. How many choices for male fish? 5. Probability of male fish 5 out of 13. 5 by 13. Solution: male equal to 5, female equal to 8. Total how many? 13. So out of these 13, probability of male equal to, so total male fishes by total fishes. Total male fish 5 out of 13. So this is the required probability. So the probability of getting male fish equal to 5 by 13. Next, a game of chance. A game of chance consists. A game of chance consists of spinning. A game of chance consists of spinning an arrow which comes to the rest. Pointing at one of the numbers. Pointing at one of the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are number. So arrow. So if we turn the arrow, one of the number will come. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So and these are equally likely, and these are equally likely. These are equally likely. What is the probability that? What is the probability that? What is the probability that it will point it? It will point it. First one 8. Second, an odd number. An odd number. Third, a number greater than 2. A number greater than 2. Fourth, a number less than 9. A number less than 9. Okay. So this is the question. Now we will discuss the solution. So first, this is the spinner. So if we spin, this pointer will turn. This pointer will stop it somewhere. The choices of pointers to stop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whatever the number, it may stop. So the possibilities are 8. So total choices are 8. Solution. Total choices equal to 8. Out of these 8 choices, anywhere it may stop. Okay. So all these are equally likely choices. So none of them having more chance, none of them having less chance. So total choices 8. So first one stops at 8. So 8 I am taking event A. 8 I am taking event A. So how many choices for 8? P of A. How many choices for 8? Here only one choice for 8. 1. N of S. How many total choices? 8. This is N of A, not P of A. P of A equal to N of A by N of S equal to 1 by 8. Next second, an odd number. An odd number. What are the odd numbers I am taking? This is B. So what are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. How many choices? 4. So N of B equal to 4. P of B equal to N of B by N of S equal to 4 by total choices 8, 1 by 2. Next, third. So if you are doing third one, number greater than 2. Number greater than 2. I am taking C. What are the choices for C? More than 2 numbers. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many choices? N of C. For to occur C, so these are 6 choices. P of C equal to N of C by N of S. Total 6 choices out of 8 choices. 3 by 4. Next, fourth one is a number less than 9. A number less than 9. So let us consider this is D. What are the choices for D? So all these numbers are less than 9. So the choices are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all choices N of D equal to 8 choices. P of D equal to N of D by N of S. Total 8 by 8 equal to 1. So anywhere it stops, definitely it is satisfying. So this is certain event. So probability is equal to 1. So this is the required solution. Okay, next question number 6. Sixth question is one card is selected from a well shuffled cards. Is selected from well shuffled cards. Well shuffled cards. One card is selected from well shuffled cards of 52. Well shuffled 52 cards. 52 cards. Find the probability of getting. find the probability of getting first one a king of red color, a king of red color, a king of red color. Second, a face card, third, face card, third, a red face card, fourth, the jack of hearts, fifth, a spade, sixth, the queen of diamonds. Okay, so these are the questions we need to answer now. So first, total cards equal to 52. In these 52 cards, we need to pick one card. That card must satisfy this condition. Okay, according to this event, what is the choices of these? Okay, we need to find out. First solution. Total cards 52. So exactly 52 cards total. So first one, a king of red. So I am taking a. How many kings of red color? So 2 kings of red color. So actually 4 kings, 4 queens, 4 jacks. So kings 4, black 2, red 2, red kings 2. N of a equal to 2. N of s equal to 52. P of a equal to N of a by N of s equal to 2 by 52. Cancel to 1 by 26. Next, second one, a face card. How many face cards? I am taking face card B. How many face cards? So total face cards, actually face cards jack, king, queen. So 3. Each set 3. 4 sets, 3 into 4, 12. So N of s again 52. P of B equal to N of B by N of s equal to 12 by 52 equal to, cancel with 4, 3 by 13. Next, third one, a red face card. So I am taking C. So how many face cards? 12. In this, half of red, half of black. Red face cards 6. So probability of C equal to 6 by 52, 3 by, cancel with 2 by 26. Fourth, the jack of hearts. I am taking D. So how many jacks? 4 jacks. Hearts 1, spade 1, diamond 1, club 1. So only one. N of D equal to 1. P of D equal to 1 by 52. Next, fifth one, spade. How many spade cards? 13. Spade I am taking E. So N of E equal to 13. Probability of E equal to 13 by 52. Simplifying 1 by 4. Next, sixth one, the queen of diamonds. Queen of diamonds I am taking F. So in diamonds only one queen. Actually 4 queens, and in diamonds only one. So P of F equal to 1. So N of F equal to 1. P of F equal to N of F by N of S equal to 1 by 52. So this is the required solution. 8th question. If 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with or accidentally mixed with 132 good ones, 132 good ones are accidentally mixed with 132 good ones. It is not possible. It is not possible. It is not possible to just look. To just look. It is not possible to just look at a pen. At a pen. And tell whether or not it is defective, or not it is defective. One pen is taken at one pen is taken out at random. Taken out at random. One pen is taken out at random from this lot. From this lot. Determine the probability. Determine the probability. Determine the probability that the pen taken out. That the pen taken out is a good one. Is a good one. That the pen taken out is a good one. Okay, so if 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good ones, it is not possible to just look at a pen and tell whether or not it is defective. One pen is taken out at random from this lot. Determine the probability that the pen taken out is a good one. So there are 12 defective pens, 132 good pens. Actually these pens are mixed up. So mixed up, it is nothing but 132 plus 12, total 144 pens all together. So in those only 12 pens are defective. 144, 132 plus 12, 144 pens. 144 pens which containing good pens and defective ones also. Okay, so it is not possible to look directly and whether it is a good defective or not. We can't judge. So whether it is defective or not. Okay, we need to pick one pen at random without looking it, without checking whether it is defective or not. Okay, we need to pick up one good pen at random. Okay, what is the probability of good pen? So actually good pens are 132, defective pens are 12, total pens are 144. We are picking one pen. So we need the probability of good pen. Total good pens 132 out of 144. The probability 132 by 144. So we need to write now solution. So good pens equal to 132. Defective pens equal to 12. Total pens equal to 144. So these are the total pens. So we need to pick one good pen. So pick one pen which is good. I am taking A. So P of A equal to N of A by N of S. N of A, it is nothing but good pen. How much? 132. N of S, how much? 144. Cancel with 12. 12 into 11, 132. 12 into 12, 144. So 11 by 12. So 11 by 12 is the probability of good pen from the lab. Okay, similar kind of question. Same to this one. So that is question number 12. Question number 12 is a lot consists of 144. A lot consists of 144 ball pens. 144 ball pens, of which 20 are defective. 20 are defective. 144 ball pens, which 20 are defective and the others are good, and the others are good. Others are good. The shopkeeper draws one pen. The shopkeeper draws one pen. The shopkeeper draws one pen at random. At random. And gives it to Sudha. Gives it to Sudha. What is the probability that? What is the probability that? What is the probability that? First one, she will buy it. She will buy it. Second, she will not buy it. She will not buy it. Okay. So in the previous questions, good pens and defective pens separately mentioned and total pens collectively we calculated. But here total pens collectively it is given. So in the previous 132 good pens separately, 12 defective pens separately, thus we get total pens. Here total pens are given. A lot contains total pens. Among total pens, some of them are defective. So then we can easily calculate the good pens. So total pens minus defective pens, then we will get good pens. Okay, first total pens equal to 144. So defective pens equal to how much? 20. Defective pens equal to 20. So good pens remaining are non-defective good pens. So good pens equal to how much? 144 minus 20 equal to 124. 124 pens are good pens. So we need to pick one pen. We are not picking one. We are not picking. Shopkeeper giving one pen. So shopkeeper draws one pen. Shopkeeper draws one pen. If shopkeeper draw one pen, if it is not good pen, she will buy. If it is defective, she won't buy. She will not buy. Okay, not only Sudha, whoever it is, if the pen is a good one, then the person will buy. If it is a not good pen or defective pen, so she won't buy. So first, she will buy it. Will buy it. If she will buy, I am taking the event A. So when she will buy, the pen is good. So N of A equal to how much? It should be good pen. So good pens are 124. P of A equal to N of A by N of S, which is equal to 124 by 144. Cancel with 4, 31 by 36. So second, she will not buy. She will not buy. She will not buy means it is a defective pen, so it is complementary to the good pen. So that is A complement. So P of A complement equal to 1 minus P of A, that is 1 minus 31 by 36. 36 minus 31 equal to 5 by 36. So this is the 5 by 36 is the probability that she will not buy. So or else 20 by 124. Cancel with 4, 5 by 36 only. We will not 36. Okay, 36. 5 by 36. So the probability is a complementary event. So she will buy it complementary. She will not buy. The probability that she will buy it, it should be the good pen. So probability of A equal to 31 by 36. Probability of not A, it is nothing but she won't buy. So is 5 by